Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Trubin. Here in this video, I will show you how to repost Facebook story on iPhone and Android phone. Lot of Facebook user has been reporting to how to reshare Facebook story and also how to repost someone's story on Facebook. Before the starting video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Before repost Facebook story on your iPhone and Android phone, you need to latest versions to update your Facebook applications. For that, now first of all open the App Store and Play Store in Android. In the search bar, now the search Facebook applications. Here find out the Facebook and latest versions to update your Facebook applications on your iPhone and Android phone. Once the Facebook applications is the up to date, now first of all find out the Facebook applications from the iPhone home screen. Here unlock your Facebook application. Open the Facebook applications, tap on the homes. Here top corner two options available, stories and reels. Now tap on the story. Here select the which one people story you want to repost on your Facebook story. Open that story. Now this question is how to these photos reshare on my Facebook story. Now the simple step is now first of all select the photos. After tap on the right hand side corner three dots. Bottom to open the pop-up and select the share this story. In the right hand side bottom you can see also your story options available. Now please make sure tap on it. Here customize the stories and you can post story on your iPhone and Android phone. Now wait for the upload this story on your Instagram account. Here you can see and watch your story already posted from the repost. This amazing way to you can easily repost Facebook story on iPhone and Android phone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.